Welcome back. Module 2 progressions. Previously we were discussing about progression. What is meant by progression? Different types of progression, arithmetic progression, different cases related to arithmetic progression, activities, different cases, sum of n terms of an AP, application level, different cases. I hope you have gone through previous sessions. I believe you have don't have any doubts. Okay, next one. Arithmetic mean. Arithmetic mean is a concept where a series consisting A, B, C, where B is said to be the arithmetic mean between A and C. Arithmetic mean, or otherwise known as AM, is the sum of the collection of numbers divided by the total numbers in the collection. For example, per capita income is the arithmetic average income of a nation's population. I hope you didn't understand any words that I have uttered. Let's make it simple. Just imagine a series of even numbers. Okay? Starting from 2, 4, 6, 8 and so on. For the time being, just remember three numbers 2, 4 and 6. Okay? For the purpose, just neglect that four number. The second value 4. Okay? Now you have only 2 and 6. But you need to find the value between 2 and 6. How can we find? That concept is explained in arithmetic mean. You can find the value between 2 and 6 by just take the sum of numbers available, that is 2 and 6. That is 2 and 6 is 8 divided by 2, that is 8 by 2, you will get 4. You got the answer? Because at first we were asked to imagine 2, 4, 6 and the second number 4, we just neglected it and we need to find what was there between 2 and 6 and we found the answer. That is the concept explained in arithmetic mean. That is A, B, C are number. If we want to know the value of B, just take the sum of A and C, then divided by 2, you will get the answer. Okay, we will discuss about the various concepts in the coming sessions. Find arithmetic mean between P and Q. It's just an application for the time being as a demonstration for the concept. Let X be the arithmetic mean between P and Q. X. We don't know what it is and you are not going to find what is the answer of X because here no details regarding what is meant by Q, what is meant by P, nothing is given. So it's just the time being is a demonstration for how arithmetic mean works. Okay, we know that X is the value between P and Q, then it will be written X minus P equal Q minus X. Just remember the position of X. Then in the case of Ax, in the left hand side of equal sign, we written X minus P, where X is the first one or first value. But after equal sign, you have written Q minus X, where X is the second number. Why? Because just consider the logic is that X is the number between P and Q if the P and Q is in arithmetic progression. We know that arithmetic progression, the series will be in continuous order, increasing trend or decreasing trend, that depends. Here the number or the X, we assume that X is between P and Q. Then the X will be smaller than P and X will be greater than P and X will be smaller than Q. That's why written X minus P equal to Q minus X. Just remember, it's not a big deal. So by solving this, we substitute the X values. We don't know what is it X, so X to left hand side, Q and P to other side. You will get, finally you will arrive at X equal to P plus Q by 2. That is a case we have discussed in the first case in a theoretical form. Okay, we will discuss about some other cases regarding arithmetic mean. Find arithmetic mean between 8 and 12. 8 and 12 are two numbers. Just take their sum, divided by 2, you will get the answer. All these are simple questions. Even when we are going to deal with application level, you might feel awkward. Okay. We will deal with some other cases. First one. Insert 4 arithmetic means between 5 and 20. Insert 4 arithmetic means between 5 and 20. Meaning, you need to insert 4 more numbers between 5 and 20. And we are aware that there are more than 4 numbers between 5 and 20. But we need to find exactly what are those 4 numbers. So, on the basis of this data given, we know that there are total 6 numbers, right? Because 5 and 20 are 2 numbers and we were asked to insert 4 more numbers. Then 2 plus 4, 6. So, there are 6 numbers where first number is 5 and last number is 20, and on the basis of arithmetic progression equation, first case equation where given values is A5, N is 6. N is 6 means here total n numbers is 6 numbers. T of n is 20 and D equal to, we don't know. Why we are finding D? Because in the question it is asked to find 4 arithmetic means between 5 and 20. We can't simply add 4 simple numbers to between 5 and 20. We need to find the exact interval or constant gap between each numbers. That common difference is known as D. Okay. By substituting the values in the equation, T n subscript of n equal to A plus n minus 1 into D, you will get 20 equal to 5 plus 6 minus 1 into D. By solving this, you will get D equal to 3. By substituting the value in that equation case, as per the question case, numbers between 5 and 20, numbers starting from 5, 5 plus 3, 8, 8 plus 3, 11, 11 plus 3, 14, 14 plus 3, 17, likewise. Okay, next one, insert 5 arithmetic means between 10 and 28. Same question which we have discussed just previously. In this question, we can apply a bit more simple equation. It's a simple equation, otherwise known as a shortcut equation. Just remember both cases, because we might come across both situations. Here question is given, A is 10, B is 28, N is 5. There is an equation for finding out arithmetic mean situation where D equal to, is a simple method for finding D directly. We can find the value of D directly. B minus A divided by N plus 1, where B is the last number in a series, A is the first number, you are aware of it, divided by N plus 1, N is number of items we have to add. As 1 equal to 28 minus 10 divided by 2 plus 1 equal to 3. There is a slight mistake in this written. Here the n is 5, so the substitution has to be made like this: 28 minus 10 divided by 5, not 2, it's 5. 5 plus 1, like that. Okay, 28 minus 10, you will get 18, divided by 5 plus 1, you will get 6. 18 by 6, that's 3. The answer is correct. Here the number is a slight mistake. Just remember that. Okay, next one. Here the difference is 3. So we can arrive at an arithmetic progression starting from 10, 13, 16, 19, 22, 25, 28 and so on. Okay, another, it's a note. Just remember it. If the sum is known, 3 numbers in an arithmetic progression can be assumed as A minus D, A and A plus D. Just remember it. Whenever a question or application level question consisting or is of this kind, means if the sum is known, 3 numbers in arithmetic progression can be assumed as A minus D, A plus D. This is an application. This is used in application level question. We will deal about this in the coming sessions. Okay, just remember that. Okay, next one. Find three numbers in arithmetic progression such that their sum is 27 and the sum of their squares is 341. Okay, remember it. Find the three numbers in arithmetic progression. When this type of questions come with application level cases, you need to apply this note. See, the note is a minus d. The three numbers will be a minus d, a and a plus d. Okay, we will discuss about that case in the coming sessions. Okay, thank you.